I've just come back from a zero luggage trip. So in this video, I want to show you what I took with me. So this is what I took on the 10-day trip. Underwear, my zip-off Columbia pants, black Brazilian leggings, Ruckjack, Kameleon Rose cardigan, Stashbandz lacy fanny pack, a reversible tank top, one black on one side and patterned on the other side, my patterned Brazilian leggings, a blue long sleeve button-up shirt, a denim long sleeve button-up shirt, and a merino wool long sleeved bolero. I have my phone charger with a bunch of Hipknoties on it, a ribbon that I can use as a belt, which I didn't use at all, a drawstring to use with the Hipknoties, 2 pairs of socks, 1 merino wool, 1 thicker pair, plus 2 sockets for this. One's inside the ballet flats. So my Hipknoties, and this as a quick dry towel, sports towel, which I wouldn't take next time. I'd take a second Hipknoties instead. I've got my hairbrush with my toothbrush and toothpaste in the flower. Here I have my wrist wallet. I have a solid shampoo and conditioner by Lush. I use this shampoo as soap as well. And my little shaver with cover I made for it. Necklace and earrings. Some bobby pins and hair clips, which I didn't really end up using. Safety pins, some sewing needle and thread. I've already mentioned my ballet flats. These are my earphones, my necklace with charging cable band that had my solid perfume in it, my watch with another charging cable that charges my sister's battery bank, earrings, clips. This is a 1 litre folding water bottle. This is my belt. My mum and I made this just before I left. It's got a pocket on the inside where I can put my phone and other essentials, and it can also be converted into a handbag using the lace up part. I have my sunnies and a pair of boots. I would have loved to be able to have a pair of convertible shoes. That would work, but I didn't get that made in time, so I just bought a pair of boots. So this is what I took, as well as the microphone and phone that I'm filming this with. Stay tuned for an upcoming blog which will go into more details. Leave any questions you have in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.